That's mama boy.
And we're gonna be doing a full LED swap on the interior. The first thing we're gonna do is the interior lights, the mirror lights, and the rear interior light, and the backup light, and the license plate light, because it's all the same bulb. Right here is this, the T10 size bulb. Got these from Amazon. The reviews are pretty good. So try it. So the first thing, really the only thing you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and do that. So I already took one off. So you're gonna just put this right here, like in a little ridge. And you're gonna try to pry it out. There you go. Got it out. There you go. It's the original bulb right there. We're gonna go ahead and take out one of our little bulbs. Put a little baggie like this. Just gonna put in one at a time to compare it to the original one. Thing is, I can never be sure which side this goes in on. Just gonna slide it in. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. There you go. Okay, so I guess I must have put it in the wrong way. Try to take it out. There you go. See now. There you go. Both lighting up. See, the LED is a lot brighter than the original. Let's go ahead and take out the other original now. I'm gonna cut out. Okay. Actually, let's go ahead and put the plate back on just so you guys can see how to do it. Just gotta put it in from this side first. Little hinges. Too difficult for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back one. You can see my headliner is proven. There's really nothing I can do about that for right now. We're gonna do the same process we did with the other one. I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm gonna put the screwdriver to the side instead of the middle. And I just pry it out. So we're both. I try to use our pliers to get these old bulbs out because, you know, they're hot. I can't use the pliers, I'm just using a napkin instead. There you go. That's both of the old ones out right there. Gonna put some new ones in. that's it for the rear light. I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the trunk now. First lights and the license plate lights. You're gonna have to take off these 4 rivets. Just the front ones. Let's go and do that. And now we're gonna try to get out this trunk lining. Bulbs. So I'm pretty sure you just have to unclip this. Oh no, for license plate lights we have to access from the outside, not the inside. Maybe we can actually. Let me see. Actually, we could access it from the inside. You just need to take out these clips. And there's the old bulb. I think it's long been burnt, so I'm gonna have to replace that pronto. Never get a grip on these without a napkin. I hope even with it, I can barely get a grip on these. We got it out. There's the old one. I'm not sure how well you guys can see this. I'm trying my best. Only one person. The new LED. It's kind of a tight fit compared to the interior ones. There we go. See right there, it's lighting up when I hit the unlock button. There we go, that's perfect. Let's go ahead and keep going. I'm gonna go and do the other side now. First I gotta put in this one back in. Put in the other side. Other side is a little bit tougher because there's more stuff. We're trying to use the flathead screwdriver. Almost got it. new bulb. I'm really hoping that these LEDs can last longer than the factory ones have, because this is a fucking hassle to change. Pop right out. Put one in. See if it works. Nope, I must have put it the wrong way. Which is always it's pretty easier to take the LEDs out compared to the originals. Alright, let's see again. Perfect. Perfect light up. Let's put that back in too. Here we go. Perfect. Now, I think the reverse cameras or the reverse lights are a little bit more difficult, but we're still gonna try to do them. I think you just twist it. Yeah, that's perfect. You just have to go and twist it like that. Pop out the old one. It's kind of bigger than the other ones. All right, here we go. Let's see if it works. See, I'm not sure if the reverse lights will turn on when you unlock. No, I don't think they do. So I'm gonna have to look up a way to test it without having to put it in drive, because there's no one else around me. I'll see you guys. So I ended up having to actually put the car in reverse and just not even like let off the gas, not even go on let off the brake, and just put the phone camera here on this little platform to film the light and see if it was working. This one I put in right the first time. This one I had to switch it, so you should really test it before you put everything back. I've tested both of them now. So we're just gonna put this one back in. You're just gonna put it in the same way you took it out. Put it in the little grooves. And then slide it. There you go. So that should be our backup lights and our plate lights. Let's go ahead and put this trunk line in back, and I'll see you guys when I get that done.